Hi everyone, today on tomorrow's Universal Endeavour is Repair 50,000 Hull of Teammates. So, it's time to be a little generous to your fellow players. The way I like to do it is get in a team and do a patrol, and I heal my partner, and then we switch over. So, let's get to it. So he's gonna go first, and then I suppose it'd be boring to watch me do the same, so I'll just heal him and then I'll end the video. But anyways, let me be sure to turn off auto fire, otherwise and now I'm gonna target him and heal. And I'm doing it on advance, just to speed it up a little bit. Taking quite a bit of punishment. Whoops. All done. Alright, so the abilities I've been using are engineering team and hazard emitters. Now, of course, there are many other hull healing abilities, but these two are some of the more popular ones. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Helps out the channel quite a lot, and it's free, so why not? And I have a Patreon if you want to support me that way, and a currently very small Discord server, both in the description below. See you guys next time!